This is Module 2, Lesson 13, homework, and we're looking at converting measurements again. So if we look at number 1A, we're converting weeks to days. So we know that 6 weeks is 1 week times 6, which would be 6 weeks. But now we need to take it and rename it as days. So we've taken that 1 week and found its equivalent, which is 7 days. So it'd be 6 times 7 days is 42 days. So if we go over here, we see that we have 7 years equals 7 times 1 year. And we know here that we're going from years to days. So we know that there's 365 days in a year. And we need to multiply that by 7. We can do a little quick. 35, 2, 5, 1, 2. And we have 2,455 days in 7 years. All of them are going to be the same, where you are going to see the measurement that you need to convert it into. Right now we're working on multiplication, so it's going to be that you have a larger unit of measurement down to a smaller unit of measurement. The students are realizing that when you have a larger unit of measurement, your number is going to be smaller than your smaller unit of measurement, where you're going to have a bigger number. So when you're going from bigger to smaller, your unit of measurement may be getting smaller, but your number gets bigger, therefore you multiply. So just going over that one a lot. When we go over to number 2, these most often are going to have to be they're little word problems, and sometimes they're going to take 2 separate conversions to be able to get that taken care of. So if I'm looking real quick here, actually, I see that there aren't any of those. Well, let's look at F. So we could do number 1, F. So students could do this 2 ways. They could know that in 1 yard equals 3 feet. So they could do this in 2 steps, where they convert these yards into feet and then those feet into inches, because it says it wants inches. So if I have 245 yards times 3 feet, I have 245 times 3, 15, 12, 13, 7. I have 735 feet. If I have 735 feet, I need to multiply that by 12 inches to get that into inches. 10, 6, 7, 14, 5, 3, 7, 12, which gives me 8,820 inches. Now they could have done it in 2 steps, or they could have seen that 1 yard equals 36 inches. Some students will see that, some won't. So that's a 2-stepper that sometimes will run across those. You'll have to do 2 conversions to get to your end answer. But all of these over here are the same, just using little word problems to express them.